Ladies and gentlemen, students, colleagues, and esteemed guests, today we discuss a topic of paramount importance: education and development. These two concepts, though often discussed independently, are intricately interconnected, each reinforcing and amplifying the other in a virtuous cycle that drives individual growth, societal advancement, and global progress. Allow me to take you on an expansive exploration of this dynamic relationship, highlighting its many dimensions, implications, and challenges. Defining education and development. Education, at its core, is the process of facilitating learning, acquiring knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits. It is delivered through various means, including formal schooling, informal training, and experiential learning. Education is not confined to classrooms or textbooks. It is a lifelong journey that shapes minds and transforms societies. Development, on the other hand, is a multifaceted concept. Traditionally, it referred to economic growth measured by metrics such as GDP or income per capita. However, contemporary understandings of development are far more comprehensive, encompassing social, political, cultural, and environmental progress. Development now implies improving the quality of life, fostering equity, ensuring sustainability, and enhancing human capabilities. The interconnection between education and development. The relationship between education and development is deeply symbiotic. Education acts as both a driver and a consequence of development. It empowers individuals to improve their personal circumstances while simultaneously uplifting entire communities. A. Education as a catalyst for development. B. Development fostering education. Education as a catalyst for development. Education is the cornerstone of human capital formation. By equipping individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to participate in the workforce, education directly contributes to economic productivity and growth. Studies consistently show that countries with higher literacy rates and better educational systems achieve faster and more sustainable development. But the impact of education extends beyond economic indicators. 1. Social development. Education fosters critical thinking, civic participation, and social cohesion. An educated populace is better equipped to challenge injustice, advocate for rights, and contribute to the democratic process. 2. Health outcomes. Education, especially for women and girls, has profound effects on public health. Educated individuals are more likely to make informed decisions about nutrition, hygiene, and health care, leading to lower mortality rates and longer life expectancies. 3. Gender equality. Access to education is a powerful tool for breaking the cycle of gender discrimination. Educated women are more likely to participate in the labor force, delay marriage, and have fewer, healthier children. 4. Technological and scientific advancement. Education fuels innovation. Research and development are directly tied to the presence of skilled and knowledgeable individuals who can push the boundaries of science and technology. Development fostering education. Development creates the conditions necessary for expanding access to education. Improved infrastructure, economic stability, and advancements in technology provide the foundation upon which robust educational systems are built. For example, 1. Economic prosperity. Wealthier nations can allocate more resources to build schools, train teachers, and provide educational materials. 2. Technological advances. Digital tools and platforms make education more accessible, bridging gaps in remote or underserved areas. 3. Social stability. Development often brings political and social stability, creating an environment conducive to learning. Challenges in aligning education with development. Despite the evident interdependence of education and development, numerous challenges hinder their alignment. A. Inequities in access. Globally, millions of children remain out of school due to poverty, gender discrimination, conflict, and geographic isolation. Marginalized groups, including refugees, indigenous populations, and people with disabilities, often face systemic barriers to education. B. Quality of education. Access alone is insufficient. Many children in school fail to acquire foundational skills due to poor teaching quality, lack of resources, or outdated curricula. Without quality education, the transformative potential of learning remains unrealized. C. Rapid technological change. While technology offers unprecedented opportunities, it also presents challenges. The digital divide exacerbates inequalities as those without access to technology are left further behind. D. Balancing economic and humanistic goals. There is often tension between viewing education as a means to economic ends versus its broader role in fostering critical thinking, creativity, and ethical citizenship. Striking this balance is crucial for holistic development. The role of policy and global collaboration. Achieving the dual goals of education and development requires coordinated efforts at local, national, and global levels. Policies must be inclusive, forward-thinking, and context-specific. Some key strategies include: 1. Investing in early childhood education. Early education lays the foundation for lifelong learning and has the highest return on investment. 2. Promoting lifelong learning. In a rapidly changing world, education cannot stop after formal schooling. Continuous skill development is essential. 3. Harnessing technology. Governments and organizations must prioritize digital literacy and leverage technology to expand access and improve outcomes. 4. Fostering public-private partnerships. Collaboration between governments, businesses, and NGOs can mobilize resources and expertise. 5. Global initiatives. Programs like UNESCO's Education for Sustainable Development (ESD) and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) emphasize the critical role of education in achieving global progress. Case studies and success stories. Let us consider some real-world examples of education driving development. Finland. Known for its innovative educational system, Finland emphasizes equity, teacher training, and student well-being. The result is not only high academic performance but also a society characterized by equality and innovation. Rwanda. After the 1994 genocide, Rwanda prioritized education as a cornerstone of national recovery. Investments in technology and gender parity have transformed the nation into a regional leader in development. India. The Right to Education Act and initiatives like Digital India have expanded access to education, particularly in rural areas, fostering economic growth and social mobility. The future of education and development. As we look ahead, several trends will shape the relationship between education and development. A. Personalized learning. Advances in artificial intelligence will enable tailored educational experiences that meet individual needs. B. Sustainability education. Climate change and environmental challenges demand a curriculum that equips learners to address these pressing issues. C. Global citizenship. Education must prepare individuals to navigate and contribute to an interconnected world, fostering empathy, cultural understanding, and collaborative problem-solving. Conclusion. In conclusion, education and development are inseparable pillars of progress. Education is not merely a means to an end but an end in itself, a fundamental human right that empowers individuals and transforms societies. Development, in turn, provides the resources and stability necessary to sustain educational initiatives. Our challenge, indeed, our responsibility, is to ensure that these two forces reinforce each other in a virtuous cycle, leaving no one behind. By investing in inclusive, equitable, and quality education, we lay the foundation for a more just, prosperous, and sustainable world. Thank you for your attention. If you are interested in development issues, subscribe the channel and follow the next lectures.